All right, guys, looks like we have a momentum reversal entry setting up right here. We got an inside bar right here outside the pending candle. So I'm going to put a sell stop order sitting at the bottom end of this wick. Once this fills, we'll be in the order. I'll be holding this position for about 30 to 60 points with my trailing stop set at 10. So once price hits profit at 10 points, my stop loss will get moved in profit, and I'll try to aim for the 1 to 1 30 or 1 to 2 60
Order
points. So
filled.
we're in the position right here in profit about 6 points, 4 points, 5 points. Price is dropping a little bit. Looks like our stop loss is moved in profit, and unfortunately, we got
Target
stopped
filled.
out right there very quickly. So fortunately, but unfortunately, we got stopped out of the position. We locked in about 400 per account. We have 20 Apex accounts here, 7 Tradeify accounts, and 1 Purdy account. So about 400 per account. That locks in about 10,000 in profit for that quick little move. So we'll see if we find any other entries, but for the most part, good start for the day.